Just starting salsa? Here are 5 tips for you to increase your confidence. So first thing, focus on less things. There are 2 main things that you do in salsa as a leader. You either lead a turn or switching places. The girls don't really care if you move your shoulders or you turn on your own. They care if you are a good leader and they care that you dance on the beat. Which brings us to the second tip. Practice on your own, without a partner, the steps, the timing, also the leading. Why? Because we're working on confidence and we don't want to get overwhelmed. You don't need your partner with you when you're struggling with your steps and your timing. Practice everywhere and anywhere. You can even sit down and listen to salsa music. This is also practicing because you can count the music, you can tap on your hand, you can do it while sitting, you can do that while brushing your teeth. You can do the basic steps. You don't need the music all the time. You can practice the steps with the timing, without the timing. You can practice listening to the beat, finding the one, finding the beat. Get feedback. You can go to my website, you can sign up for the personal tips, and then you can book a free session with me, 30 minutes. You can do it with a partner, you can do it just you. You can even send me videos of yourself. We can sit down, watch them together. I give you all the tips that you need to push forwards, become better, and go social dancing. And last tip, smile. It's not just the smiling, it's about the mindset. It's about just being cool, especially when you're making mistakes, especially when you mess up. Laugh at yourself. You'll enjoy more, your partner will enjoy more, and you actually enjoy practicing. And this is it. The more you practice, the better you get. The better you get, the more confident you become.